Get ready to dive deep into Python's Global Interpreter Lock, GIL, and learn how to optimize your applications for better performance, especially in CPU-bound scenarios. By the end of this video, you'll have practical skills to manage and mitigate GIL-related performance bottlenecks. Welcome to our video on understanding Python's Global Interpreter Lock, or GIL. Ever wondered why your multi-threaded Python programs aren't as fast as you expected? Well, the GIL might be the culprit. In this video, we'll explore how the GIL affects performance, especially in CPU-bound tasks, and share practical tips to optimize your Python applications. By the end, you'll know how to manage GIL-related bottlenecks effectively and get a glimpse into the future of Python performance improvements.
The Global Interpreter Lock, commonly known as the GIL, is a mutex that protects access to Python objects, ensuring that only one thread executes Python bytecode at a time. This lock is necessary because Python, the standard implementation of Python, is not thread-safe. While this design simplifies memory management, it also means that Python cannot fully leverage multi-core processors through threading. GIL limits true parallel execution, which can become a significant performance bottleneck for CPU-bound tasks. However, it doesn't impact I/O-bound operations as severely, allowing Python threads to remain useful in such contexts.
When it comes to multi-threading in Python, the GIL plays a pivotal role. Although Python supports threading, the GIL restricts threads from executing simultaneously on multi-core systems, leading to context switching and overhead. For CPU-bound tasks, this means that threads will be fighting for the GIL, resulting in performance that doesn't scale with additional cores. Python threads are lightweight but are limited compared to native OS threads, making them less effective for parallel computation. In scenarios like data processing or complex calculations, this limitation can become a bottleneck, impeding performance gains from multi-threading. Understanding the difference between CPU-bound and I/O-bound tasks is crucial for optimizing Python performance. CPU-bound tasks are operations that require significant processor time, such as mathematical computations. These tasks are heavily impacted by the GIL, as they rely on CPU resources, and the GIL prevents parallel execution. On the other hand, I/O-bound tasks, like file operations or network requests, spend more time waiting for external resources. They are less affected by the GIL, as threads can be switched during I/O waits. Tools like profiling can help identify whether a task is CPU-bound or I/O-bound, guiding appropriate optimization strategies. To circumvent the limitations imposed by the GIL, Python's multiprocessing module can be a powerful tool. Unlike threading, multiprocessing creates separate memory spaces for each process, allowing them to run concurrently on multiple CPU cores without being restricted by the GIL. This approach effectively simulates parallelism, delivering performance improvements for CPU-bound tasks. Setting up a multiprocessing pool is straightforward, enabling you to distribute tasks across processes efficiently. While multiprocessing introduces some overhead due to inter-process communication, it often results in significant speed gains for suitable tasks. Understanding when and how to use multiprocessing can unlock Python's full potential on multi-core systems. Optimizing GIL-bound code requires strategic choices in both your algorithms and data structures. Using efficient data structures can reduce overhead and improve speed. Consider leveraging Cython or PyPy, which offer performance enhancements by compiling Python to C and using JIT compilation, respectively. Additionally, integrating native libraries, such as NumPy, can bypass the GIL for specific operations. Batch processing can also minimize the time threads fight for the GIL, and analyzing algorithm complexity may reveal areas for improvement. These techniques collectively contribute to more efficient GIL-bound code, making Python applications run faster and more smoothly. In real-world scenarios, the GIL can manifest as a significant performance barrier. Consider image processing, where operations are CPU-intensive. Without proper optimization, GIL can cause threads to underperform. In data science, tasks like data crunching can be similarly hindered. Web scraping, while often I/O-bound, can still suffer from GIL-related delays in data parsing and processing. Simulation tasks, requiring high computation, often face performance bottlenecks due to GIL. Learning from these examples, developers can better anticipate and address potential issues in their projects, utilizing techniques like multiprocessing and optimized algorithms to mitigate GIL effects.
Effectively managing GIL-related performance issues requires a deep understanding of how your code executes. Profiling tools provide insights into where bottlenecks occur. cProfile is a built-in Python module that offers detailed reports on function call frequency and execution time. By interpreting these results, developers can pinpoint GIL-related slowdowns. Advanced tools like PySpy provide more granular insights, even allowing for visualization of thread activity. Continuous profiling during development and testing helps ensure that performance remains optimal as code evolves. These tools are indispensable for diagnosing and addressing GIL impact in Python applications. The future of Python looks promising, with ongoing efforts to minimize or eliminate the GIL's impact. Python developers are actively exploring solutions like subinterpreters and other architectural changes that could allow multi-threading without the GIL. Alternative implementations like PyPy and Jython already offer reduced GIL constraints, showcasing what's possible. These advancements could revolutionize Python development, enabling true multi-core processing, and improving performance across many applications. The community's involvement in proposing and testing solutions plays a critical role in this evolution, paving the way for a more efficient Python ecosystem.
In conclusion, understanding Python's global interpreter lock is crucial for optimizing your application's performance, especially in CPU-bound scenarios. We've explored various strategies, from using multiprocessing to leveraging profiling tools, to mitigate GIL-related bottlenecks. Remember, continuous learning and experimentation are key to mastering these techniques. We encourage you to share your experiences, ask questions, and suggest future topics in the comments. Your interaction not only helps you learn but also supports our channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth Python content.